Hello and welcome in this video tutorial when I'm gonna show you in details how to import your model and all the tools to place it on the plate properly. On the left of your screen, there is a library with a few parametric objects for your own convenience. If you want your own model, it's easy. Click on Add Files or drag and drop a file into the window of the slicer. Lychee supports most of the file extensions used in 3D printing world and also LYS, which are Lychee scene. Let's learn how to navigate into your scene. You can hold the right click to rotate the view and hold Shift while right clicking to pan the view. If you prefer, you can use the arrow keys to pan. Let's not forget about zooming. You can do that by scrolling with your scroll wheel on your mouse. There is also this 3D cube at the top right corner for quickly change the view to a predefined one. The little home icon makes you return to the default view. Pretty useful. Take some time to try these. Lychee Slicer fully supports multi-gesture trackpad and 3D mouse. You can activate both of them in the settings. Now that you have a model on your scene, you are in the Layout menu. But you can still add more objects by navigate to Import menu in the top navbar. In Layout, there is a list of objects that are in your scene. You can select one quickly, rename it or hide it. If you hide it, it will not be printed. Next is the copy option. You want more of your model? Click on it, then just enter the number you want and click Duplicate Selection. And voila! The slicer duplicated your object and automatically placed them on the plate to fill it correctly. The Tool buttons show you the different tools you can use to manipulate your model. Move and Rotate works the same. When selected, a gizmo appears on your model for you to manipulate it. Just click and drag an arrow to move on one axis or a plane for moving on two axes. You can also enter numeric values on the Move menu at the bottom. Here you have the option to center your model, put it back on the plate, or quick and automatic arrange all. Another cool tool is the On Plate one. With it you can click on your model to make that part of your model face the plate. Orientation to object works almost like on plate, but instead of align a part of your model with the plate, you can align it to another part of another model. Just make a first click on the part of the model you want to connect and a second click on the part of the model you want it to move. Scale option makes a new gizmo appear. You can scale your model proportionally or not. If you messed up, you can always reset scale. There is also a button to make your model fit to the bed. That means scale it so the largest side of your model is the same as the width of the bed. And finally, the Mirror tool. It makes your model flip on desired axis. Next, Auto-Orient adjusts your model to get a better print orientation. Feel free to click multiple times to get a position that seems right for you. Arrange is the same as Arrange All we've seen before. Click on it to make all your models take the best position on the plate they can. It's just quicker this way. On the top right, there is also the Object Editor field. You can update the file of your model if you made some change but still want your support. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.